Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Sunday afternoon and beautiful sunshine. So I want to do an outfit of the day. And this dress is, I think there is some design problem. The neck is not very comfortable, and the side, the opening on the shoulder is a little bit large, and the most important, it's long. It's just too long, and if you walk, it's kind of dangerous, right? You walk and you step onto it, you will fall down. So I was thinking maybe I should cut it out. And there are three layers. At least I can cut out the longest layer. Let's see how it looks. I think this is a little bit too short. It's so comfortable, but a little bit too short. It does not look like that low. It lost its flow. Oh, darn it. Darn it. I'm so silly. But at least I can wear it without tripping myself and fall down.